At Illinois Pulley and Gear, precision and production go hand in hand. Our automated hobbing system combines advanced machining technology with robotic handling to deliver consistent, high-quality power transmission components at scale. Each pre-machined part is automatically loaded by a robotic arm, positioning the component precisely into the hobber for machining. Once the gear teeth are cut, the finished part is removed and the next piece is loaded, creating a continuous and efficient production cycle. This automated process allows IPG to maintain tight tolerances while supporting high-volume manufacturing. By combining precision engineering with modern automation, Illinois Pulley and Gear delivers reliable timing belt pulleys, gears, and machined components designed for demanding OEM applications. High production, precision manufacturing, power transmission components you can depend on.